Hello everyone, so today I will unbox my new CASIO watch. This is a sports watch which is really useful in daily life. This watch is waterproof, suitable for swimming and bathing. This watch is very viral on social media and has a lot of demand these days. Now let's talk about the features specifically. So this button is used to change the mode, in which you can set an alarm, countdown timer, and a stopwatch. You can press this button to turn the light on for 2 seconds. It is useful to see in dark. You can set the time and date with this button, and then press this button to adjust seconds, hour, minutes, etc.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
You should press this button to reset this. Let me show you everything on my watch.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
In the box, you will have your warranty card and a user guide manual. The manual lets you know everything you need to know about the watch in languages such as English, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese, etc. If you need a specific video on anything, leave the question in the comment box. Thanks for watching, everyone.